In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use eBay's advanced search feature to refine your purchasing decisions, particularly by exploring the history of completed and sold items. This will empower you to make more informed choices and understand market trends on the platform. So let's dive right into it. First up, I want you to open your preferred internet browser and head over to the eBay website. If you're on a desktop or a laptop, type in ebay.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once the homepage loads, right next to the search button, you'll see an option labeled Advanced. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you to a page full of search options that will help you really narrow down what you're looking for. Now in the advanced search area, you'll see a variety of fields you can fill in. This is where you can specify exactly what you're looking for, whether it's a particular item, category, or even a specific seller. Enter as much information as you can to help isolate the exact items you're interested in. Precision is key here because the more specific you are, the more accurate your search results will be. Once you have all of your details filled out to your satisfaction, pay special attention to the section labeled Search Including. Here, you're going to find some important options that can really help you gauge past sales performance and current trends. Specifically, check the boxes next to completed items and sold items. This functionality allows you to see not only listings that have ended, regardless of whether the items were sold or not, but also those that were successfully purchased. What makes this feature so valuable is it provides insights into the demand and market value of the items you're interested in. By reviewing these completed and sold listings, you can get a sense of how much a product is worth and how often it's being sold. This information is crucial if you're trying to decide on a fair market value or even if you're planning to list an item for sale yourself. After selecting these options, go ahead and click the Search button. Wait a moment for the results to load. You'll be presented with a list of items that match your criteria and, more importantly, with completed and sold listings highlighted. Scroll through the list, examine the prices, the dates of sale, and the condition of items to draw some conclusions about your item of interest. And there you have it. You're all set with understanding market dynamics on eBay using the advanced search options. This approach not only keeps you informed, but also fosters better decision-making whether you're buying or selling. Don't forget to leverage the history data you now have at hand to optimize your eBay experience. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting out there.